Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast and I love all things bright colors, including brightly colored wigs, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. So I got this wig off of AliExpress. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a try-on, and first impressions review, so if you want to see my thoughts, then please keep on watching. I also love experimenting with my hair, changing up my hair color, and since I'm letting my natural hair just kind of take a break, I've really gotten into wigs. So it's from the brand Charisma, but it's not this brand, which has been really popular on Amazon. It's actually just spelled the way that the word is spelled. So I don't think they're affiliated with each other at all, but just giving you background. Okay, so I ordered this wig on May 19th. It basically took about a month to get here, which really isn't that bad considering everything that's been happening in the world the past few months, so not upset at all. So I've already opened it just to see what was inside, but I haven't, and I took a little sneak peek the other day, but I haven't really looked at this. So let's open this up. It comes in a really nice wig bag, which is just a plastic bag. WIG is what it says over here. Not Charisma, whatever. I don't care. I know that a lot of these wholesalers on AliExpress kind of have I guess their company name, and then sometimes they might have their store name that they use for social media or something. So some are more active on social media than others. Also, they might have just gotten this bag from a different company. I'm not too concerned. Oh, and this is a synthetic hair wig, I should mention. So inside the bag is another bag, and that has the wig itself. Okay, so we have wow. So it's one of these really long kind of Ziploc style bags. Comes with one wig cap, it looks like. Great, so let's open this up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm super into the color green and actually matched my eye makeup today to this wig. So, and I've wanted a bright green wig for such a long time. My inspiration, because I'm just gonna keep talking, my inspiration actually was Suezo-chan, which if you don't follow her on YouTube and Instagram, I highly recommend it. She is just so creative and such a style inspiration for me. So I'll just put up a picture of the wig that she was wearing that really inspired me to also get a bright green wig. Hers I think has bangs on it and I didn't want bangs, so I didn't go with the one that she was wearing. Alrighty, so we have, looks like one wig cap. That's always great to have. Just put that over there. And then we have, oh my god, this is so long. We have the wig itself. It is bright green. It's beautiful. Oh, I love this color. This is the exact shade that I was looking for. It is ridiculously long, and it's a lace front. Okay, so we have a really secured, really long hairnet for this really long wig. The wig just smells like synthetic hair. Comes with this little tissue paper just to kind of keep its shape. Decent amount of lace in the front. And we have three combs, and then this little I call it bra straps in the back so you can tighten it. I'm just gonna put it on just because I really want to see what it looks like. Actually, you know what? I should put a wig cap on first. Oh my god, and the hair is so soft, it's wavy, it's beautiful. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh wow, this is like neon. Wow. It's like mermaidy, it's so beautiful. Okay, so let me just stand up and show you. This is super long. It comes to about my waist. I am so in love with this. Oh my god, and the lace is very light beige. It looks a little bit shiny maybe. It's not terrible. I've definitely seen worse. It looks a little flat on top, it does look a little plasticky or kind of oily. Yeah, it's definitely not the worst I've seen, and I could use a bit of dry shampoo I think to just kind of get it a little less shiny, but it is super soft. It feels like they use some sort of conditioning thing in here or whatever, just because it's so soft. All right, so I'm gonna take this off, cut the lace, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks. All right, so I cut the lace. This is what it looks like. I'll just zoom in so you can see. And I'll just turn down my lights as well. I don't know if you can even, oh yeah, you can kind of see the lace. Wow, I'm so impressed with this. I don't know if you call this transparent lace, but it actually matches my skin tone almost perfectly, so it blends in super well. I actually cut the lace a little bit too short. I like it a little bit longer in case I'm like going out somewhere and just want to glue it down for safety. So like right over here, it is a little on the short side, but I did secure it pretty tightly in the back. I have a pretty small head and I've got it on the tightest setting and it's pretty snug. There's also a ton of hair, so it does like weigh it down and kind of keep it in place. I am so happy with this. I am so excited to do looks with this wig. It's such a fun color and you can just play around and do so much with it. So I'm really happy. I am thrilled with the quality of this wig. Let's just turn around. I'm gonna zoom out and I'll do a track check, whether you can see the tracks in the back. Feels like there are a bunch of those like little short hairs that sometimes happens, although I can't actually see it. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna turn around and we'll take a look and see what the back of the wig looks like. So just had to look at the footage. It passed the weft test. I'm just gonna add, because when I was looking at the footage, you could see that my wig was very shiny. So I'm just gonna add some dry shampoo. This is from Batiste. It's the one that I use for my own hair. Okay, it should be good. This one is a volumizing one, so as you can see, hair everywhere. This one is a volumizing one, so as you can see, it lifted the roots as well, which I am not mad about. I think that looks better. I'm gonna keep the shine towards like the lower bit of the hair because I feel like that does make it a little more natural. I just don't want as much shine at the roots because I feel like that makes it look really fake. Now I've got powder on my hands. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. I love this wig so much. It is so fun. It's so full. Like, this feels like 200% hair because this is just, it's so thick. It's definitely like, it looks like a wig. Like no one has this much hair. I definitely say this is amazing for a cosplay. I'm just trying to think of offhand. I can't think of a character that has this color hair, but I'm sure there are anime characters out there that have hair like this, especially from like magical girl animes. I'm sure there's one. If you can think of one, let me know in the comment section below so maybe I can cosplay that character. I don't really cosplay very much just because it's a pretty expensive hobby, but I do enjoy doing it. The only other one that comes to mind right now is a gender bend Joker, which I can totally do. I think that would actually be a lot of fun, so I might keep that tutorial in mind for Halloween because this color is exactly Joker's hair color. I'm so in love with this wig. I can't wait to do photo shoots and just outfits and looks with this wig because it's just perfect for that. Like, this wig is Instagram. I just feel so underdressed right now looking at myself in the viewfinder. Like, I'm definitely not wearing the right outfit for this wig. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you could give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this wig. I personally love it and I'm so happy with it. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check it out or buy it. I feel like I always do these videos out of order, but this one was, oh, it's 24 inches. Wow, that is super long. It is a 24-inch wig. It is $44.94. Yeah, so this is about $45, which is on the cheaper side for synthetic wigs. And I definitely don't think that this is cheap quality. Like, this feels like pretty much like your top quality synthetic wigs. There's not a whole lot of range because, you know, you're using synthetic fibers, but this is definitely on the better end of synthetic wigs and in the kind of mid to low end of pricing. So I definitely think that this is worth it if you're looking for this type of wig, I would definitely say go for this. I'm really, really happy with my purchase. If you want to see more looks that I do with this wig, I will definitely be posting content to my Instagram and TikTok and probably Twitter as well. So I would love it if you could follow me there. It would really, really help me out a lot so I can grow my presence across social media. And speaking of growing my presence, I would also love it if you could subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, and that way you'll get updated every time I post a new video. I'm definitely going to be doing looks with this wig, so if you want to see more looks, stay tuned, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.